Ever found yourself wondering why you need a high-performance laptop? In our digital age, technology's demands are ever increasing. Software is becoming more complex, tasks are piling up, and staying productive is crucial. A powerful laptop isn't just a luxury anymore. It's a necessity for smooth multitasking and running heavy applications without a hitch. To navigate this tech-intensive landscape, you need a machine that's up to the task. Enter the M3 MacBook Pro, a powerhouse designed to meet and exceed your most demanding tasks. The M3 MacBook Pro is not your average laptop. This state-of-the-art machine is powered by the M1 chip, an advanced piece of technology that puts speed and performance at the forefront. The M1 chip's processing power is unlike anything we've seen before, enabling users to multitask like never before, without sacrificing speed or efficiency. Then, there's the Retina display, a visual treat for the eyes. With its stunning resolution and vibrant colors, it brings your images and videos to life, providing an immersive viewing experience that's hard to rival. But what about battery life? The M3 MacBook Pro delivers in this department too, offering all-day battery life that can keep pace with even the busiest of schedules. The sleek design of the M3 MacBook Pro is another standout feature. Its slim profile, coupled with the touch bar, adds a touch of modern sophistication to your workspace. And let's not forget about storage and memory. The M3 MacBook Pro offers impressive options, allowing you to choose what's right for your needs. Whether you're a professional dealing with heavy files or a tech enthusiast who likes to keep things running smoothly, the M3 has got you covered. In short, the M3 MacBook Pro is a game changer. It's not just about owning a laptop. It's about having a machine that's built for speed, efficiency, and power, a tool that can take your productivity to the next level. With the M3 MacBook Pro, you're not just buying a laptop, you're investing in a machine that's built for speed, efficiency, and power. So, what have we covered about the M3 MacBook Pro? We began by addressing the dilemma of finding a high-performance laptop that can keep up with our demanding digital lives. We unveiled the M3 MacBook Pro, a device that not just meets but exceeds these expectations. Packed with powerful features, the M3 MacBook Pro is a beast. The M3 chip, with its impressive processing speed and energy efficiency, makes multitasking a breeze. The vibrant Retina display brings every pixel to life, while the advanced thermal architecture ensures the device stays cool under pressure. And let's not forget the robust battery life that keeps you powered throughout the day. But what truly sets the M3 MacBook Pro apart is its seamless integration of hardware and software, creating a user experience that is unrivaled. It's not just a laptop, it's a tool designed to help you conquer your digital world. The M3 MacBook Pro, truly a high-performance laptop designed to help you conquer your digital world. Remember to subscribe for more tech insights and updates.